Hello guys, good afternoon. So anyway, I just wanted to do a video about this car. Kasi yesterday, this person named Joaquin, thanks to you for your message, by the way. He messaged me on my Instagram page. And he's also from Alabang, but also, I think he moved to BGC as well. Parang ako rin, last 2 years ago, same situation. I don't know if he lives in the same village. I think he does. And he bought a Camry, guys. A pre-owned Camry. Just like my white one, guys, na V6 2013. He sent me a photo. Very nice. Metallic gray, which is also a nice color. 2013. And the mileage niya mababa, guys. 44,000. Actually, mine was quite high when I got it. Mine was already 80 plus. But for me naman, it's the condition, not the mileage. Kailangan pristine condition, meaning alaga ng first owner. Anyway, that just kept me thinking that a lot of you guys who watch my channel always ask about the Camry, because it's such a great pre-owned option, especially nowadays that we're saturated with puro crossovers and pickups, diba? Konti na lang yung mid-size sedans na affordable and comfortable and has good space and options. So talagang that's why since I had the XV30 Camry, which was my first Camry, that was at 2001. Yeah, 2001. XV30 2.4V until I purchased this one, which is the XV70, but I also had the XV40, which I love, guys, the V6. Yun yung first time nagkaroon ako ng V6 na mid-size sedan, and I love that car, and I had it for a while. Then naging XV50 ako, very short. I think I had that 6 months, and now because of this, the XV70. Now, may XV80 na, diba? Yung bagong body. Same chassis, bagong body, new interior and stuff like that. But essentially, the same, size of a car. But, update, 6 months na sa akin to. So, basically, I've driven it for, in 6 months, 3,000 kilometers. And, mga pinalitan ko lang naman yung mga ilaw, guys, kagaya nito. Yung LED lights. Ito, naka-LED na to eh. Sa trunk, LED, itong radio na Pioneer, which some people don't like kasi it's small. Kasi I didn't want to change this anymore, so I just wanted to upgrade the stereo. As you all know, yung stock Camry, walang Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so this is good. Never lags, which is good, I guess, because it's Pioneer, matibay talaga. Ito, of course, like any gloss black, hindi ko naman masyado hinahawakan to, but yun, nakita talaga may dust. I like this. To be honest, I prefer if this was like, sana real wood, but this is just plastic. Imitating wood, right? But it's okay, because I guess it would be cheaper to maintain, but real wood would have been nice, right? And the seats are fantastic. Given this is a 4-year-old, well, actually 5-year-old, 2020 kasi to, guys, eh. Pero walang ka-problema, everything works, diba? Yan, yung tilt, I love this function, diba? I mean, how many cars at this price na may ganito, diba? Na may mood lighting pa, dito sa footwell, dito rin, actually, nakita mo, sa gabi maganda yan. And then ilaw dito, medyo mahirap lang to see yan. So, it's been a very good car to me. Walang ka-problema, automatic yung adjustment for the steering wheel. Ito perfect to kasi pag sa mall, diba, or sa hotel, pag tinitignan ng guard, you just have to press it, diba? Same goes with the gas. Instead of the lever, button na lang. Everything's fully automatic, the windows. The back seats are the best seats in the house, of course. That's why you buy a Camry. Kung may driver kayo, sobrang relax. The mom of my girlfriend, Andrea, Tita Emmy, she loves the back seat of this kasi sobrang comfortable. Actually, yesterday we went to have dinner in Makati. And of course, after dinner, medyo traffic sa EDSA, nakatulog siya. Kasi sobrang comfortable. The NVH of this car is fantastic. The ride is fantastic. Given that this is a pre-owned car, malaga naman yung first owner, which I was very lucky to get it from. And I got it at a great price with the lowest mileage. Guys, imagine 13,000 ang mileage nito. I love this also because the trunk of this car is huge. I had the latest Civic RS, which was a good car. It was also big for its segment, and the trunk was big, but this is way bigger. Ang problema lang guys dito, hindi mo pwede fold yung seats kasi hindi kagaya ng Civic, diba? You could fold it, or even the Mazda 3. This one you can't because it's because of the automatic function of the rear seats. Yan lang yung downside. But the trunk is big enough for big suitcase bags and a lot of hand carry luggage. Kasi everything's been fantastic with this car, and I love it. So I'll talk more about this car. Uwi muna ako. Yun guys, I also, palabas na pa lang ako ng parking. Anyway, I love the auto hold function of this car. Kasi of course, the Camrys before this, puro siya, foot brake ng Camry, diba? From, I think the XV30 was handbrake, 40 and 50 foot brake. Tapos ito yung first na nagkaroon ng auto hold. Yan. Of course, the latest one na, yung XV80. Pero this one, laking bagay, then you just press the gas. Pag traffic like this, even if you're waiting sa exit ng parking, diba, you just press it. And it's not abrupt. Because yung some auto hold guys, medyo mas sensitive siya. Meaning, hindi pa siya full stop mag-engage ng auto hold. This one hindi. You really have to press it a little bit deep. Yan o, mag-ilaw naman siya. Just to notify you. Yan, medyo nag-blurrish. Baka nagpa-blur. Yan, anyway. Yun. So I like this function talaga. Yan. Then you press the gas, then yun na. Okay na. Laking bagay kasi alam mo naman sa atin, it's always traffic, so auto hold does really help. But if it's really guys, pag sobrang ang tagal naka-auto hold yung car, I do disengage it. I press this. Just to make sure na baka mag-overheat yung system. Because I've heard some, not this car in the Ranger, na nag-overheat yung auto hold. Siguro so sobrang tagal naka-auto hold yung car. But this one, okay naman. Maganda yung ride talaga. Yan ang gusto ko sa mid-size sedan. It's kind of hard to beat. It's even better than a lot of crossovers in the market. Just because of the width and the length of the car. It's pretty wide. I mean, the Camry, that's why sobrang luwag. And I love it. Especially on road trips, guys. Sobrang sulit this car. And the 2.5 4-cylinder it has decent power, guys. Of course, it's not like the V6 malayo talaga. But in terms of being a 4-cylinder with a pretty decent displacement of 2.5, pwede na. Diba? Pero of course, maganda yung hybrid kasi that has over mga 220 something horsepower compared to this at 184, I think 186. So mas okay yung hybrid, mas matipid, more power pa. But of course, because this is a second-hand option, for me, I think this is the way to go. Ganitong model yung before the hybrid pero same body. Kasi this can sell from mga 1.2 to 1.6 million guys. Mga 2019 to 2021 model. So sulit na. Imagine at that price, this was over 2 million brand new. So yun. Ito guys yung trunk. I'll just show you how big the trunk is. Sobrang puno. So I have my pampunas for the cars. A lot of shoes guys. Puro shoes yan. Dami pang space yan. May actually yung old stereo still there. And see? And there's still space here. It's a huge trunk. That's also why you buy a nice mid-size sedan. handles natin. Like I said, the best. Ay, buksan natin. Unlock. Yan. Yun ang best seats. Ito talaga. Tingnan mo, I'm 5'7". Almost, yeah. I mean, look. Maybe your sunshade ka pa. Diba? Like I said, there's also mood lighting here for your handles at night. But this is it, really. It's the space. Pwede ka mag-D4. At the same time, yun nga, even this, you know, some seats, even on higher end models, ang tigas ng ganito. So even if you hit it, malambot. Diba? Leather pa rin siya. Iba kasi hard plastic. Ito talaga, guys. Of course, may cup holder ka pa. At the same time, yan. The illuminated panel. So you could recline your seats, like I said. Diba? Oh. Diba? Then you could control your aircon. Yeah, now it's in 18. Gawin natin 20 kasi in the front it's also 20. Yun, isa pa yan guys. The aircon system. This is a 5-year-old car and I bought it pre-owned and the aircon is like it's brand new. Sobrang lakas. It's really cold in this car. Actually, it's colder than a lot of brand new cars that I purchased recently, like even the Mazda 3. Mazda 3 aircon is not the best, but it's not the worst, but it's in the middle. The Terra has a cold aircon. The Ranger has a cold aircon. Civic, okay lang, to be honest. I think the Camry has way better aircon system. So sobrang tirik ng araw, especially nowadays guys, diba mag-summer na. Mainit talaga. But this one, ang bilis lumamig yung cabin. And it really helps that you have aircon at the back. Yun, may charging ka pa here. And like I said, here, diba? There's leather pa. Then, you could even open this up if you have golf clubs, diba? Some of the golf clubs, I mean, not the bag, but some are long stuff. Oh, diba? It can go through the cabin. You can close it. Diba? I mean, it's hard to beat this, guys. At this price point, I really suggest, if you have like ganyan, yung ganyan budget mo, 1.2 to 1.4 million, let's say 1.2 to 1.5, and you want something fairly new, hindi mahirap alagaan, good for the family if you're, let's say you're 5, and you don't want to cross over. Kasi ako guys, to be honest, I grew up in the 90s, so wala masyadong, the only crossover we had, the first crossover we had was the first generation Honda CR-V, which was a great car. But you know, but before that we had vans, kasi uso yan L300, High Ace, Nissan Vanette, nalala ko, Light Ace, Toyota, mga Chevy vans, mga two-tone Chevy vans. Of course, Nissan Patrol, the first generation, my dad had that manual with the gas tank at the back, guys. Black. That was his company car and I love that. That's a full-size SUV. Of course, Land Cruiser. We had the Pajero. Also, Expedition. Yan, marami kami Ford. When the first Expedition came out, we got that. But the one we got was the later model. That was a 2002 in green. Then yan, Explorer, F-150, Ford. A lot of Ford cars. So that's why I never had problems with Ford. We trust the brand enough. Hindi kami nagkaka-problema, to be honest, sa Ford. But Toyota, recently lang naman ako nag-Toyota, guys, actually. When I got the Hilux recently, then this one, because of the Camry talaga. Because I really love mid-size sedans. I grew up with sedans. I drove sedans. You know, I had the older Civic, naalala ko nung high school. I had, well, this wasn't a sedan, the GSR 2-door. Ano pa ba ang mga ano ko? Yun nga, the Accord, I had the Accord. And this now, the Camrys, ilang Camrys, pang-apat na to. And this is the best yet for me, until they really completely change everything with the car. And yeah, I honestly think na if you're in the market, look at the Camry, guys. Look at it. Marami dyan nagbibenta, low mileage, 30,000, 40,000 kilometers, 3-year-old car. If that's been taken care of, and yung service history niya kompleto, guys, parang it's kind of hard not to get that car, to be honest. Your family will love this car. It's comfortable, it's roomy. Gas mileage is decent, guys, for a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Decente siya. And like I said, it's we kind of look at the Camry here in the Philippines as semi-luxury. I'll say semi-luxury car kasi normally may naka-driver tapos you know, you're seated at the back. And because of the sunshade, diba, yung power sunshade. Diba? I mean, at this price point, saan ka nakakuha ng ganito automatic sunshade sa likod, diba? Medyo kind of hard to, you know, kasi wala na yung Accord. Nissan doesn't have its own midsize sedan. You gotta go super high-end for these cars, like 5 Series BM, E-Class, or the A6, diba? So yeah, that's why I said that sulit talaga yung Camry. And like I said, everybody who watches my channel and watches the Camry specifically bought the Camry, guys. I think 3 people who watch my channel bought a pre-owned Camry. Not specifically this one, but the XV50. I think dalawa, tatlo na. XV40, isa or dalawa. So ang dami talaga. That's why I love this car. I really love this car, and I'm gonna keep this for a while kasi ang baba ng mileage. Even if I do buy other cars brand new, I'm still gonna keep this for a while because I really enjoy driving this car. So anyway, I'll see you in my next vlog. Always take care and keep safe.